Today, we're going to go over the pendulum squat. There's a couple of different variations of this machine at your gym potentially. There's one right beside me here. Now, some of these pads here can adjust. Now, the thing to know about the adjustment is if you have it more angled, you're going to need more ankle and knee flexion required when you get into position. If it's less angled, it'll be a little less mobility required. Now, I like to still challenge myself and have it at a nice, usually 35 to 45 degree angle, as you can see here. So I'm not going to touch that. The other thing is back here, there's another adjustment. This will allow it to stop safely at a certain depth. So if you get very fatigued and tired, you could have this a little higher. So if your mobility is not the best, you might want to adjust that back one just for safety purposes. Now, the plates would go in the back of this one. Depending on how the machine is, the plates might be loaded in different areas. Once you're ready to go, you're going to scoot underneath this. Now, I will let you know, you will not be able to do the same amount of weight or even close to it as what you do with a barbell squat. Because of the mechanics of the machine and your body, this is going to give you so much quad tension and you're going to be able to do a lot less weight, but nice and safely. I love this machine for back support. So if you have any back issues, this is a fantastic machine. Things that work. Feet, you can do a narrow stance, you can do shoulder width apart. We're going to do a regular stance, which is going to be shoulder width apart. Toes are slightly pointed out, very small amount, okay? Now that I'm set up, I've got my feet in the middle of the pad, basically. Now, some people go, well, where do my feet go? If you have them lower like this, and you come down, as you can see, I need a lot of ankle mobility. Now see how my heels are coming off? That's not going to be a great position for me. They're going to be driving all through my feet, my toes. So I'm going to slide up, right? And I'm going to find a comfortable position that when I'm at the bottom, my butt stays against this pad here. I'm not coming off like this. My heels stay flat, my toes stay flat. Everything is nice and flat. And then I can just focus on driving power through my feet at the ball of the foot, the pinky ball, and the big toe ball. Holding my handle here, you can have your hands on here, and I'm going to drive up. The very bottom of the exercise is going to be the hardest. Okay, once I'm ready, I'm going to go back down. Now, if you cannot go all the way like this, that means you got to work more on your ankle mobility and maybe your knee mobility, and that's okay. Start where you can start. So if your range of motion is from here to here, right, that's okay. Get better at it. Now, the key though is always start trying to work towards a better range of motion. This will be healthier for your joints, tendons, and your muscles. And having strength throughout the whole range of motion is more effective than just being super strong in a top half, because that's where muscular imbalances can happen and other issues. Coming down, driving. I'm always in control. I'm not locking up my knees. As you can see, there's a slight bend in the knee. I'm not dropping it like that. Okay, full control. Tension on quads. Coming down, full control at the bottom. If your knees crack, that's okay as long as it doesn't hurt. And drive. Now, if you have very poor mobility, this might be uncomfortable at first. So you're going to have to work on your mobility, okay? Doing a good warm-ups at the beginning. Once you're done, lock in position, bring it down.